Year 2025, month of February. Welcome to another episode of Better Know a Cobol Keyword. Today's Cobol keyword is all. The all keyword can be used to make every value of an array all one value. What you see in front of you is a working Cobol program compiled with the GNU Cobol compiler. So we begin with opening the identification division. We're calling the program all keyword demo. Then we begin the data division and the working storage section. We create a variable called fill string of the data type, which means 20 characters, and we give it the value of 20 stars or asterisks using the all keyword. Then we go to the procedure division and display this string. Let's see if I can record it working correctly here. I'm going to just right quit. Alright. Let's see what programs we have here. We have the all sample compiled. So I'll do /all sample. There's the 20 asterisks. It's 2025 and I'm using the Vim editor in Z Shell or the macOS terminal. Still a very good editor to use. Alright, so normally in the procedural languages we're used to today, we're just going to manually make a loop, go through the length of the array and fill every item in that array with an asterisk. Cobol, kind of like Perl, decided to be a little bit more verbose with the basic set of features. Most languages today go for some kind of minimalism. They say we're going to use this, just this, and everything else is built up from that. And that makes sense, to be minimalistic like that. But at the same time, just like how human languages grow and we use different vocabulary for different things, it makes sense that some languages, especially decades ago, decided to follow that pattern of just filling the language with words from our natural spoken language. As programming became more international, there was a need to maybe not depend on any one of the major natural languages, even though, English is already an international language. And so this kind of design, I think, it has a role. I'll talk more about that when I finally get around to talking about WeWa and APL again. APL and WeWa and these other symbolic array processing languages, they showed what it would look like if programming was natural language neutral and didn't even have any uh, natural language keywords. And it's an interesting idea, and it really hasn't been fully fleshed out. My whole little mini rant about that is mathematics is not a language neutral, culture neutral way of expressing ideas. It is not. It is a learned skill just as much as learning the periodic table of elements. And so it's just far from language neutral mathematical notation. But arguably, something like APL is an example of uh, a tool that is language neutral or a symbolic system that is language neutral, but that's a whole other discussion. In the meantime, this is how you would use the all keyword in COBOL. Thank you.